Spectrum Overhead Door is your garage door repair and broken spring specialist. Locally owned, servicing all makes and models, come to us for sections replaced, new garage doors, nylon rollers for quiet operation, broken cables, and more. With same-day service and website specials, testimonials are available by request. Ask about our free service calls. We give you a 100% satisfaction guarantee on all work. For more information or to get a free estimate, call Spectrum Overhead Door today or visit us online.